Hello everyone. Today we are making green chili chicken, which is a Hyderabadi street style chicken starter. Wash and cut the boneless chicken pieces of about 500 grams into 1-inch pieces and start marinating with half a tablespoon salt, half a tablespoon ground pepper, half a tablespoon ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of soya sauce, a tablespoon of oil, and 1 egg white. Mix well and then goes 2 tablespoon of all purpose flour, 2 tablespoon of corn flour. Coat each piece nicely with this flour. Keep marinate for 30 minutes to 2 hours. Keep marinade in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, chop the garlic, ginger, spring onion, thick slice the onion and capsicum, and thin slice the green chillies. After 2 hours, heat oil in a pan or skillet for deep frying. Drop the battered chicken pieces side by side in hot oil to not overcrowd the pan. Do not stir for 1 minute. Fry these in hot oil on medium heat till they turn light brown. This should take around 4 to 5 minutes. Repeat for the next batch. Take a small oak or kadai, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, then goes a quarter cup chopped garlic and ginger. Stir in for 30 seconds and then add half a cup white chopped spring onion. Stir it for 30 seconds, then goes 1 cup diced onion, half a cup of split green chillies. Fry on high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. And then add the capsicum slices. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Saute on high flame for around 2 minutes or less till they are still crispy. Add the fried chicken pieces. Fry for 1 minute on medium heat. Then goes a tablespoon of soya sauce and a tablespoon of vinegar. Stir nicely for about a minute. And finally add 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce. Give a nice mix until the ingredients mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of cornflour slurry and mix well again. Add a little water if required. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes only on high flame. And finally garnish with chopped spring onion. Mix and stir for 1 minute on high heat and serve it into a serving bowl. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please do consider like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.